Click on the Add Pattern button on the top toolbar to open the inserter pop-up. You can find patterns using the search box, or filter patterns by keywords. You also can sort patterns by featured, latest, or most downloads. You can also see how the pattern looks in the real world by clicking on the View Details link. Some patterns require blocks in external plugins. Please install and activate them if you want to use those items. You can install or activate the required plugins by clicking on the Install or Activate plugin button. All external plugins included in patterns are developed and maintained by us, so you are safe to use them all. When it is finished, the pop-up will automatically reload, and all the filtered, paging criteria will be kept, so you don't lose your current pop-up state. Once a pattern is ready to insert, you can click on the pattern preview to insert it into your editor.